Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be another one in this series, One Palette 3 Looks. And today's palette is gonna be the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. As you know, I'm gonna be creating 3 different looks with this palette. And without further ado, let's get started with the first look. I'm gonna zoom you in, as always. I have already primed my eyes and I'm ready to go. So I'm gonna start with this shade right here, Sandalwood, and I'm gonna put that in my crease. Those shadows are very pigmented. Okay, now that I have it everywhere, I'm gonna go in with this color right here, which is called Henna, which is a very beautiful burgundy brown. And I'm gonna put that in the crease, but a little bit lower. And also, I'm doing the outer V corner. And then I'm gonna take that first blending brush with a little sandalwood and blend out the edges so that everything looks nice and smooth. Next, I'm gonna take this color right here, which is called Man-Eater, on a shader brush, and I'm gonna put it right here, not all the way in, just like this. And now I'm gonna take the shade Beige, which is this matte yellow right here, and I'm gonna put that wherever we don't have any color, in the inner corner. Just like this. Try to blend the edges a little bit when those two colors meet, and it creates a very nice gradient. I'm gonna take the color Cocoa. I'm gonna deepen up the edges a little bit. Take that blending brush again, and for the last time we're gonna take that Man-Eater shade and we're just gonna intensify the color a bit, just like that. I think I'm done with that, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the lower lash line. Okay, I'm gonna take the shade Sandalwood again, and I'm gonna basically put it everywhere on my lower lash line. I'm gonna go in with the color Cocoa. I'm only putting it in the outer corner and very close to the lash line. Bring it up a little bit, like that. And then I'm gonna take that same brush that we used the first time without any extra color and just blend things out. Now I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, which is called Moon Dust, and I'm gonna put that in my inner corner. This color is very beautiful for inner corner. And I'm gonna also bring it a little bit in my lower lash line, but only in the beginning, just to kind of connect things. Blend that out with my finger a little bit. Yes, and we're pretty much done. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera and put some lashes, and I'll be back to show you the end result. Alright, I'm back. This is the finished look. This is actually my favorite look to do with this palette. I really like the combination of brown and this color right here. I think it's beautiful. The glue hasn't completely dried yet. Alright, now I'm gonna start with the second look, and I think I'm gonna do a halo eyes. I'm gonna start with this color right here, which is called Shy, with a fluffy blending brush, and put all over my lid as per usual. Bring it in the inner corner too. Next, I'm gonna take Flamingo right here, and I'm gonna concentrate in my crease a little bit lower than that first color that we put. Blend out the edges a little bit. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take Bossy right here, and I'm gonna concentrate that in the outer and the inner corner, leaving an empty space between. I'm gonna take that Diva brush again, and I'm gonna blend the edges with it because it's a little bit easier with that brush. And then on my inner corner, and then I'm gonna take Shy again with that same fluffy brush and diffuse the edges a little bit because we don't want only the darkest color to show. And I'm gonna take Cocoa again, and I'm gonna put it very carefully on my outer corner. I don't want too much of this color. I only want a little bit to deepen up the outer corner. Okay, now I'm gonna take Rose Gold, this shade right here, and I'm gonna take it with my finger because it's almost impossible to take it with a brush. And I'm gonna put it right, oh that's pretty, right in the center. It's so pretty, but it's very difficult because it doesn't stay where you want it to. I'm gonna leave it like that. Take the blending brush again and try to blend out the edges. And I think I'm gonna do liner with this look. Okay, I'm gonna be using Inglot gel liner in the shade 89. It's a very nice brown that has a little bit purple in it, so I think it's gonna go very well with this look. I'm gonna start in my outer corner, drag a line, and then go inwards. I think that took it to another level. I like it. I'm gonna go and do my lower lash line. I'm gonna take Shy again and put it all over my lower lash line. Okay, I think I'm gonna go in with henna and roll it to my outer corner. I don't know if they're gonna look good together. Change of plans. I'm gonna go in with cocoa instead. I think that looks better. Blend out the edges. Okay, and now I'm gonna take the color Angelic, which is this one right here. It's a very nice pinkish gold. It has both gold and pink shimmers, and yeah, I think it looks very nice. I think that's it. I'm gonna do the other eye and put on lashes, and I'll be back. So this is the second look. I put on some lashes and now it looks much better. Okay, let's move to look number 3. And I'm gonna focus mostly in the browns of this palette and not so much on the rosy tones. So again, I'm gonna start with Sandalwood. Bring it in the inner corner too. And now I'm gonna go with henna again. And I'm gonna put it almost everywhere. Crease and outer corner. And take that same blending brush again and diffuse the edges. And I'm gonna take the shade Cocoa and I'm gonna put that almost everywhere, just to darken up everything basically. We want it to be quite dark. It's gonna be a dark brown smoky eye basically. Okay, that looks alright. And I'm gonna take henna again and blend out the edges, kind of create a V shape here. Now I'm gonna be going in with this gold right here, this gold right here, which is gold 24K. And here comes the difficult part, because I want it to be a little bit precise in my inner corner, and just like I said, those colors don't work with brushes so well. I'm gonna try to go in with my finger first, and then I'm gonna try to fix it with my brush. Oh, that's so intense. It's so beautiful. That's exactly what I wanted though. It's such a bit that is difficult to work with it, because look how gorgeous that is. Now that I did that, it has some fallout obviously because it's very textured. I'm gonna take a flat synthetic brush, nothing comes into brush. I'm just gonna try to kind of make it a little bit sharp and blend out the edge a little bit, but I want to bring it a little bit more in, just on the bottom. And I actually want to leave it like that. Alright, I'm quite happy. Okay, now I'm gonna do my lower lash line again. And I'm going in with Sandalwood. And I'm gonna basically put that everywhere. And this time I want to bring it a little bit low because it's going to be a smoky eye. And again, I'm going in with Cocoa. And I'm gonna run it almost everywhere. I want it quite intense. And then blend things out a little bit more. And then I'm gonna take some powder and do this. That's gonna give it the shape that we want. A little bit there. Alright, I look a little bit crazy right now, but I'm going to do the other eye and put mascara and and I'll be back. Alright, so this is the finished look. It turned out very well actually. I quite like it. And then again, my lash glue hasn't dried completely, so it might look a little bit weird, but bear with me. Alright guys, this completes this video. Please like this video if you enjoyed it, and if you think that it was helpful, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye!